like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys, I've been back to the Tic Toc Shop, and it says handle with care. I don't remember ordering anything that needed to handle with care, but okay. I got a strawberry quarter, and I paid $1.54 for it. And you just take the tops off. And I got that for a reason. Okay, then I also got this, and I'll show you how this works. I have to go to the store and get some strawberries first. But, I mean, this is not just strawberries, but that's what I got it for. But I paid $3.59 for this. Goodness. I'm having one of those days. It's been one of those days all day. I thought to myself, oh, I'll get up today and I'll get stuff done. No, I didn't. I got my walking in. Okay, this is, and you can slice like strawberries or whatever, but I do like, as you know, I don't have a lot of storage space. So I tend to put stuff up on the wall. And this is something that matches my kitchen. I can just throw it up on a shelf. Then when I need it, I just take it down, rinse it off, and use it. But see, it's got little, and you can use it to cut several different things. I mean, not just strawberries, but there's plenty of things. So I figured I would show you how it works. And I gotta go to the store in the morning and get some strawberries or something that we can cut with it. And I don't know how to get this lid back on because that's me. There, I got it. I was trying to make it too hard. But yeah, I'll get something and I'll just put a little demonstration in here. Okay guys, I'm going to show you this one first. And I have to pay attention to is it worth the cupboard space. Look at this. Where have you been all my life? That one wasn't a good one, but usually it is. But it's like, where have you been all my life? And it's not very big. But my sister wanted to see this. So I can see, look how clean that does it. And that's not even attached, but on to the next. You can get these done so quick. And this is my third quart of strawberries that I've been going to record, and I just keep sneaking and eating them because this is so easy. So there's that. Now I'll get these done and wash them and do this next one. And this is small enough I can put it on a shelf in the kitchen as a decoration. So I just got it to match my kitchen. Look at these garnishes. And you just go until the cup fills up, or until you're done, whichever. You gotta admit, where's it been all your life? This whole bowl is done, garnished, everything in less than 5 minutes. With both parts of the strawberry thing. I'm dropping everything today. I don't know what's wrong with my hands today. I'm just dropping everything. Okay, this I paid $1.99 for, I believe. Yeah. And this is just, I believe it's color changing lip oil. Now this is, the one that really went viral on TikTok. So I thought I would try it and see if it's any different. It looks like that. Tastes good. Tastes good. Yeah, kind of made it a little brighter, but yeah, I'll be trying that out. And it feels good and it tastes good, so I guess those are the two basic requirements. And then I got this. This was $5.72. And this is just a little bag. And it has a little crossbody strap to it. And you just clip it on here. Let's see if I can get it. And it's adjustable, so you can use it over your shoulder or you can use it as a crossbody. And these things are nice, like if you're going on vacation or if you're going, you know, to an amusement park or you just want your hands free. There's that. Let's see, and you can change. It has different sizes right here, but I'm not going to adjust that right now, but that's what it looks like here. You have a pocket here, then you have a pocket here, then you have a pocket here. So yeah, it's really cute. It's very soft. It's very, very soft. So yeah, that's cute. Oops. Then I got this. And this is a little summer dress that Jerry Williams said looks like a, he'll say it looks like a nightgown. But yeah, I'll try that on and I'll put that right in here. Dress. Sorry I cut my head off, but you know how it goes. So there's that. I do like it. And I'll probably just give the other one, I don't know, to somebody. My one friend, I'd give it to her, but she don't wear colors. There's that. Then I got this. This was $9.28. Goodness. These are the shorts. There's might be a little on there. And here's the shirt. And it's like an ombre effect. So that's that. And I'll try that on right in here. Here's this outfit. Now I like the shirt, and I'm needing shirts that are, you know, of course it's still a little tight, and I'm still losing weight. And the shorts, they're cute, and I may wear them, but more than likely I'll wear the shorts first, sleep shorts, and wear the shirt as a shirt, and I end up getting both for basically the price of one. And this was $7.48, and I don't know what it is. This almost just like that other dress. And it is. It's the same dress twice. So, we shall see. I can't believe I did that. Hey guys, these are the earbuds that have gone viral. And you charge them right here, and they come with a thing to hang them off your neck, and you just take them off. I had this done once, and they connected to my phone so fast. They will open, you know, your music app or whatever, and they connect so fast that I had Pretty Reckless playing, and I can't do that for monetization. So anyway, here you go. They do got a good sound. Now, they have fell off my ears like twice. So, I mean, they're not number one, but they're close to it. And they do sound good. But anyway, that's this haul. And I'll try those on and stick them in where they go. And I'll leave all the links and the prices and all that down below. So feel free. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.